Hey, this is Mathketeer here to show you how to factor special cases. Our three special cases are a plus b squared, a minus b squared, and a squared minus b squared. A plus b squared will factor out to be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A minus b squared will factor out to be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And a squared minus b squared will factor out to be a plus b and a minus b. It is important that you set up two parentheses. It is also important that you know how to find the square roots of numbers and exponents. I have 6 examples to help illustrate. For number 1, we have 16x squared minus 9. So look at this as the difference of squares, so we're going to go with option number 3. We have the square root of 16 is 4. Square root of x squared is x. The square root of negative 9 is 3. And it will be 4x plus 3. For number 2, we have 16x squared minus 40x plus 25. The square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 25 is 5. And since b is negative, we know it's going to be a minus b squared. So it's going to be 4x minus 5 times 4x minus 5. And this simplifies out to 4x minus 5 squared. For example number 3, we have 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of x squared is x. We have square root of 1. And again, it's going to be 2x minus 1. And this simplifies to 2x minus 1 squared. Example number 4, x to the 4th minus 49. This is the difference of two squares. The square root of x to the 4th is x squared. Square root of 49 is 7. And then it will be x squared plus 7. Number 5, 49x squared minus 100. The square root of 49 is 7. Square root of x squared is x. 7x minus 10. And 7x plus 10, because 10 is the square root of 100. And for example number 6, we have x squared plus 10 plus 25. The square root of x squared is x. The square root of 25 is 5. We write that twice, and the simplified answer here is x plus 5 squared. So when factoring these special cases, it is important to know square roots, perfect squares, and when to add or subtract and when to use positive or negative numbers when setting up the parentheses. I am the Mathketeer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Let me know what you think.